Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen how we can connect these two screens and click on a button and second screen is open. So how to connect? We have used this navigator.push and material page route. Now question arises, if suppose I want to pass some parameter to this, how we can receive in this second activity. For that, it's very simple that we need to create a constructor variable. I say a string name, for example, and remember that this variable I need to pass here also. I say required and I say string name, or I can say this dot name like this, and it is saying that we have to use all of the field should be final, because here we need to create a final field. So I say final, no problem. Okay, so this is final. One variable I'm passing, but I can pass more also. Just to show you, required is not compulsory, but it is final value, so we have to initialize. That's why we have this. Now I can't use this value here. I need to use here in stateful widgets. This is my state, so here I want to use. So how I get this value name here? So for that, what I do, simply I create here a variable that is mutable. I say name, okay, like this, and I say visit dot name. Okay, this I want to read from here, and it's saying that it is required the initializer. How? So I tell you how to get this. So I declare this first string, and we have not initialized, so I just initialize this, and here I say init block, init state, okay, initialization, and here I say underscore name equal to visit dot name. So that I need to initialize here, and here I can pass this also. Otherwise I can also use a late keyword like this to remove the error. So I will slice this, and init state I have initialized this. Remember that if I want to access the variable of this class, this is my stateful visit. So this variable can only be accessed by this word visit dot name. So this is final, cannot be changed, but this can be changed because it's a non-final variable, normal variable, instance variable of this class, and we have created this private also, so nobody can access. So this information I want to show here. I say welcome to screen 2. So I say welcome, and here I put name like this, and this is the symbol that I required. Unnecessary string interpolation. So this one I can use directly also, because we are not doing any arithmetic operation. Okay, save this, but this is error. Why? Because we have not passed a parameter. So here I say named, and here I say Dr. Vipin classes. Okay, save this. Good way. Click here. You see welcome Dr. Vipin classes. So this parameter is goes here, and it not coming into the center. So the, you can say, brahmastra of this is to put column into the center. So I put the column into the center, and automatically it will go to the center also. Okay, so we have welcome to Dr. Vipin. 2 we can put here. So welcome to Dr. Vipin classes. Okay, so like this you can pass the parameter. Remember that it is stateful visit. This class, we have a constructor, we are passing a value. Constructor always have final value, and this value we can access in only this init state block, and this is like a constructor. Like we have constructor here for this stateful class, this is the constructor to initialize the variable. So we have this method init state. This method execute before the build, and if you don't know this, so I have a video in the beginning of my playlist. That video is life cycle of stateful or stateless visit. So there you will see that this function is there, and in this function we are passing the value from this to this. Now I can modify this value because it is instance variable, it is final variable, and its value can be changed. So I'm using this value here. So like this way you can pass value from one screen to another screen in Flutter. Little bit tricky, but not complicated. If you will keep your mind, try to understand it, it's very clear. each and every steps I have explained. Just now you have to increase the length of the variables. If you passing 2 or more variables, same step is there. Just increase the value here in the constructor, and we are putting this curly brackets because these are named constructor. And remember that these kind of things, the type of parameter we are passing in constructor or method, you should have a good knowledge of Dart programming also. So I have a full playlist on YouTube regarding that, so you can learn from there. Plus I have a Udemy courses also. If you have an interest and you want international certificate, so I have a completely Dart course on Udemy. You can go in the description for getting a link of the Udemy also. From there you can get the link, and if you want international certificate recognized in company also by Udemy, so on discount prices, so you can learn Dart. Dart is compulsory if you want to make a mastery on Flutter. Remember that Flutter, everything whatever you have written this, these all are the library under Flutter, but syntax is of a Dart programming language. So if you want to make a mastery, compulsory to have a knowledge of Dart programming also. Remember that. So keep in mind this. If you want to read free, I have a full playlist of Dart on YouTube also. And if you want professional certificate on Dart, then I have a good course widely acceptable on Udemy also. So that's all here in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.